Charlie, spin the beat before we get a bloody copyright strike, bruh.
I got you.
Bruh, we ain't let me that copyright strike, bruh.
Copyright strike.
We ain't let me that copyright strike.
Yeah, my voice is so trash.
We ain't let me that copyright strike, bruh.
We're gonna do the Cypher right now.
Yes.
We got Gizmo.
Yo.
We got Tally of
SOS
Tally of SOS Tally.
SOS.
We got Yan the real killer.
Man, like here to sleep, yes? Man, like here.
We got 44 G. Let's go.
It's gonna be hot.
Let's see the beat.
Turn up.
I got you.
Give us some volume. Give us some volume.
No. I got you.
Yo, get it. Whoa. Yo, black man in Japan, what's the plan? I don't know really what's the plan.
Oh.
Black man in Japan, what's the plan?
What's the plan?
I don't really know what's the plan. Yo, been living in here of 3 years. 3 years, ain't got no kids, no wife, no kids. I got the money that I'm making from this paper. 8 cow living. What the hell is? I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm kind of on a different level. Check it out. Cypher. Up. Wait, yeah. Get him, Gizmo. Get him.
Yo, black man in Japan, other rappers don't understand how I hold the world in the palm of my hand. Disarm everybody, Gizmo not a coward, I represent. You know I'm heaven sent, running for president, take over parliament, I've been a real gangster. All these other suckers looking bunch of wanksters, dad on my girl, don't never trip, Gizmo, too legit to quit. Coming off the lip, freestyles off the dome, holding the microphone, yo, slapping bitches' cheeks like Macaulay McCokin. Man, I'm smoking G's, I'm Cypher. Gizmo hit you 2 miles away like a sniper. Red man ready, rocking on the steady, slurping your bitch up easy like spaghetti, yo. This off the top, yo, I'm going forever. Gizmo off the top dome, son, I'm clever. No matter the weather, no matter the time, I'm ill with this flip mode like Busta Rhymes. Every time I spit, too legit to quit in the cyber tally.
Yo, black man in Japan, you got it like the hand, yo, coming at you like the fist in Terror, yo, kill it like a nigga who gotta feel, yo, kill it like a nigga who's gonna feel you, yo, call me Michael Jackson in the Thriller, no, I'm Michael Jackson in Thriller in Manila, yo, hit you with the fist, you know what the gist is, yo, coming back at you when you got this, yo, ain't got this, yo, I can stop this, yo, I'ma feel you till I stop this, till I pop this off like champagne, yo. If you thinking picky in the brain, yo,
picky in the brain, I'm bringing on the pain. All my ninjas know Gizmo, hold it down with the real style, real lock. Always keep it magma, so hot, don't stop. Yo, I got a key lock, yo, I've been the master key, the master breaker, getting all these bitches shaking, the Harlem Shaker. Oh, y'all looking chill, Gizmo off the blood, the fucker. I'm Captain Peter Pan off the hook. That shit, I'm coming through raw. Gizmo in the spot. Chainsaw holding at your door with the 4-4, no biggie. Gizmo in the spot, son, y'all looking silly. You can't phase me, can't stop me, yo. I've been wild crazy. Check my style profile, I've been amazing, baby. Driving in Mercedes, I never fade. Gizmo with the ninja blade. Y'all are getting shade, yo, shade thrown on, fading to the black, giving all these niggas cardiacs. Got a heart attack, yo, you can't handle me. I got the cuss, rolling through the rough diamond, staying tough.
Whoa, kill it. Guess what? Hey, get it. Whoa. See? Yo, my voice on. Guess what? Hold on. Two Jamaicans, 1 Trini, 1 youth from Cali. Flow sick, bought the weed, oh, and on the valley. Listen to me, I'm in Hammer Matson She. When I roll out with my niggas, I'm rolling with the clean. We got bicycles, we don't roll with cars. We ain't roll the beats and a multi-bars. We wanna eat those seats and a massage. But guess what? Girls are jumping and wanna eat us like chocolate bars. Oh, they wanna get it, they wanna get it. Listen to what flow, they see the sweat, they kill every. Why the white man wanna take the black man's credit? Black in Japan, what the hell is I'm ever? Running for the bad man, not bad man. Right, squeeze up, he's a bad man, like Rodman. Bad man like a man, I repeat. I'm Michael Jordan. Chicago Bulls, squeeze trigger, me nah Hammond. Nothing from the boss.
One boss.
What you say?
Yo, Cypher Part 2.
Girls in Japan, they be whores, yo, they get all the scores. I sit them down on my dick, yo. I don't know how they do it, but I do it fair, yo. You with the long hair, you over here, yo. In the bar, drinking on some beers, yo. I know I ain't got no peers, so every day, every time I go out, I like to hit the girls and I bring them to the house, yo. Yo.
Yeah.
Mo, how you do it, man?
Yo.
Mo, how you do it?
Honestly, I tell you about these girls are kinda freaking easy, but I get them down so they gotta please me. Gizmo, I be in general, I speaking it so raw, like the sushi. I don't eat out the door. Damn, that, keep that, clap that. Gizmo with the girl, with the scraps on my Jimmy. That shit, yo, all these bitches looking silly, but I hit once, twice. You know I do it right, got the magic stick so thick. Baby girl, you got the nice almond eyes, surprise. I like them thick thighs, but you don't got what an island nigga need. Baby girl, get out, roll up some more weed when I smoke it like that. Damn, the baby's fat. Gizmo, kinda like my girl's black, strap back with a snapback, snapping back on all my ancestors. Yeah, yo, I've been a wild mess. I can
Yeah. Hold up. Let me get it real quick. This beat is fat, just like me. These girls are fat. No, I'm kidding. Not really. This beat is fat, just like me. But guess what? I still didn't get all your bitches. Guess it. Yo, Japanese girls come in like something that's special. Not really special, but we still ain't not special. Look at me. I want to get the Netflix special, but these girls want to have it. They don't know me not special. Oh, John Dre, Doko Kana Kitano, Jamaica, huh? Oh, Kakui, no. I tell them that I'm from Jamaica, then they drop their panties. And then I told them, guess what, hold up. That's too easy. Dre amazing, the one upon the basic. I come with you a hot up on the fire, yes I'm blazing. Hey. I want to flow like chronics, but I'm not but amazing. Hey. Jesse Royal, I'm your pepper, sit there on the lazy. Hey. Hamamatsu, Hamamatsu. Oh. Toyota, Shiga, Osaka, Tokyo, everywhere Jamaicans that will get the girl and easy. So listen, we got the thing but never talk about. I want to rap, I want to stop, I want to slap about. I tell the girl I got the beach about it, but Andre-san, Hashio, Gizmo Kun, Gizmo, Daro, Nani attenda.
おい、ちゃんと聞いて、お前ら俺名前を忘れな俺はタロ、それ最後だろ。おい気をつけろ、お前の顔ぶん殴るぞ。ちょっと待って、女の子と遊びたい、やって。ほら、おい、殺すぞ。気をつけろ。クソだよね。